Performance will always come when the rest of your life is in line. You're not going to be happy. You're not going to be performing at your best if outside of your sport you're unhappy. So, hence, we are working on that story in your head to start with. You have to have that big dream. That dream, what would you do if you knew you couldn't fail? If you were guaranteed to succeed, what would you do? It cannot just be about an external thing to make you happy. Our brains are a muscle. Do we train them like we go to the gym and train our other muscles? We need to still keep pushing the fact that we need to train our minds and we need to look after ourselves, and our well-being is everything. If we don't have that, we haven't got anything, right? So what happens with 10 minutes of sitting in silence is I keep doing these bicep curls for my brain, right? Every time my mind wanders to the past, bring myself back. And also, just know that you, your story, you are enough just as you are.